Welcome back everyone to another Finance for Beginners tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the JumpTask application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the JumpTask app on your device. And after you are taken into the homepage, you will have three different options to sign up and create your new account. You can either use your Google or Facebook account, or you can also use Wallet Connect in order to directly use your preferred wallet and sign up to your app. Now, if you tap on the Google or Facebook button, you will need to choose your respective Google or Facebook account. Once you get this option where you will need to click on the Continue As button, go ahead and click on it. And now this will use your account information, either Facebook or Google, in order to sign you up to your account. Now you will be taken into the homepage. Now, once you are signed up, make sure to check your email and also check the spam folder to see if you have to click on any activation link. Do not click on any other link which has not been sent to you by the JumpTask team. And now your sign up has successfully been completed. You can tap on your profile icon at the top section from your homepage, and if you scroll down, you will see the My Wallet section. You can tap on this and then manually add your desired crypto wallet. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the JumpTask application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.